Hi, this is Sonya with Artsy Solutions, and I'm super excited to show you some papers and things that I made, and it's part of a collaboration. And there's three ladies of us, and we're calling ourselves the Crafty Trinity. And we each created some journaling kits, and each one of them have like papers, journaling papers, words, ephemera, different things like that, envelopes, and different things like that. So myself and Pham, and she's from Livie's Lovelies, she has a kit, and all of our kits are labeled a vintage summer road trip. And the other lady who's also a part of our collaboration is Thelisha, and she's from The Sweets by Thelisha, and she has her own website. And these kits will be found on each one of their store links, and I'll have the link in the description to show you where you can access them from. So I'm going to start out showing you my kit. I printed mine out, but I didn't print out all the other ladies' kits, but I did make something, and I used some of their elements and things from it. But this one's mine. I just printed this one out on just some 20-pound cardstock. Here's one of the first ones, and it just has like a lot of journaling space on it. Here's the second one. That's what most of them have. Mine has like 6 pages. Here's another one. And then I have some tags, a card, not a card, but I have some tags, an envelope, and some ephemera. So it has anywhere from steamboat to train to plane to cars, and anything summer vintagey kind of look to it. It's got that vibe. That's the vibe I was going for. So those are the 6 pages, and you can print them front to back, double-sided, or just leave them single-sided, however you want to do it. And here's an envelope. And there's assembly instructions included in the kit for assembling this. And then there's these tags. And then you have an ephemera sheet. And then you have some words and text. And they're all, you know, summer, travel, all that related. And then I went on ahead and printed out some of the papers and elements from some of the other ladies. I didn't print all of them out. I just printed out some. And let's see. This one, these are some of the words. These are from Thelisha's kit. And believe me, there are some gorgeous things in there. Each one of them have their own theme going. They're all vintage summer road trip theme, but each one has their own vibe to it, and all of them are, I love them. So that one's Thelisha's, that's her words. And then she has papers too. This is just one of them. And then this one is Pham's from Livie's Lovelies. This is one of her envelopes and one of her pages. And here's another one of her pages. I have so many ideas of what I'm going to use with these. The sky is the limit. So let me just show you what I made right quick. So let me set these papers to the side. And this is just a quick little old folio that I made with some of their elements. Like this tag, for example. This is from Pham's kit. And then this pocket is from Thelisha. This background is from Thelisha, as well as this little tuck spot right here. She made that. And the rose is from Pham. And I just put this little tag in here and added it to one of my papers for just a journaling spot. And so this opens up. It's a really simple folio. And Pham made these little glasses, and I just added some glossy accents to it, and just to kind of make it pop. And then here's one of the pieces of ephemera from one of my kits, as well as this tag. But the butterfly is from Pham's. And then I just added in just some coffee dyed sewn stitched paper, and then just a little vintage like library card or whatever. And then over here I have like a little belly band, and I used some remnants from the paper from one of my kits, from one of the papers from my kit. And then I made this tag. This is part of Pham, one of Pham's journal pages. And this little decorative element right here, that's from my kit, as well as this envelope. And here's just a little Paris, a day at Paris ticket, that's also from my kit. I'm going to set this down. And then this just flips back like this, and then you can see the envelope. Now the thing about the envelope, let's see, is you can turn it different directions. You can use this for your top, or you can use this for your top, whichever one, because when you go to glue your flaps together, either way is okay. And this little green thing, you can use it for a pocket. So then this flips over, and you have this little, just a little thing cut out of a book or magazine. And then I just glued it to one of my papers. This has like a little steamboat kind of thing. I printed this out on vellum and then just glued it to the back of this right here. So I'm going to have links in the description to how you can access all of these kits, and come and check all of us out on our Etsy shops, our Facebook, our social media sites, Instagram, and all that. And like I said, I'll have links in the description. And come and craft with us and show us what you make, and we'd love to see your art and stuff. So once again, I appreciate you guys watching, and have a great day.